I got this car. This is a Dodge Charger, okay? It's in for some warranty repair. I have warranty repairs. Now, I can only assume maybe the customer ain't paid they bill. It's one of those where they can disable the start system or the ignition system wirelessly. Anywhere in the world they can cut the car off. But that does nothing for me. I am a commissioned mechanic, okay? I have warranty work to do on this car. I do not have time for the customer to, I don't know, pay her bill or for her to duke it out with her company. I have approval to do some work on this car that's outside of, you know, their jurisdiction, and I need to get it done. So look at this, guys. First of all, I was about to call the customer and tell them that they need another key and ignition. Everything firing on, firing up. Then I realized, wait a minute, I thought maybe I had the wrong key or the key just died. That's not the case. Because I even removed the hard part of the key and stuck it in the door and it turned. Which tells me this is the key for this car. The system is disabled, guys. If you don't know these things, you would give an incorrect diagnosis. Especially if this is a no start or something like that. This could easily mislead you in the wrong direction. Wow, thank God for common sense. Okay, now you can also suspect if this is a no crank that you're not getting power down to the starter. Okay, but let me show y'all how they got the system. Now I can almost guarantee they got the wireless control module spliced into the starting system. Okay, now how they connect them remotely, I do not know, and I'll have to read more onto that. But let's go outside the car. Okay, y'all know me. I wanted this thing started and in my stall in the shop so I can work on it, do what I need to do. So what I did, I found the location of the starter relay. Okay, if you look at the box, you will see starter relay right there, which means that it's this one. Okay, now it's typical ISO relay, guys. No big deal, nothing to it. Pin 30 is always hot most of the time. Okay, here's pin 30. As you can see, it's hot. This is normally pin 87. These two are the coils. So all jumping does is bypass the coil and send 12 volts straight to the starter to allow cranking. Okay, I went and got me a jumper wire and I proceeded to jump the starter off with the key in the on position. Nothing. Okay, so how are they able to cut off? How are they able to intercept signal from the starter relay to the actual starter? All right, then I got to looking around. Yes, they have a circuit running. They have some wires right there. Okay, but to me it looks like they are grounded. So now this wire is going into the back of the tipper. All right, so what I'm gonna do, man, because this is, let me lift up on this tipper, see what the hell they done did. Now I'm curious more than anything. I hate when you mess with me like that. Yes, they got some kind of wire running into the back of the tipper. So basically, but it's just the ground. It's just going to the ground. I don't know how you could open and close a circuit. Two wires going to a ground. I probably shouldn't be messing with it, y'all, but I really want this car started so I can go in and do what I need to do. Like these two wires, even if they was going to the starting system, how are they able to intercept or splice in between, go parallel in between the starting circuit? Okay, because with the key off, think about this, guys. With the key off, I can jump from here to here and a starter or crank. Nothing. So let me do this. Let me leave that in there and go try to start it. Let's see what happens. Because I got the key on, so it's cutting the signal. Let's see. Nope, it's interrupting the circuit, but I am hardwired, so I think I still need this signal. It doesn't matter. I got 12 volts going directly to the starter. Yep, that's the key. All right, guys, let me go to ad break. Whoa, 5 minutes deep. Let me go to ad break, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Now, this how you can for surely tell they got it. I hear the beeping sound. I hear the module out here somewhere. So listen to this, guys. So y'all see that? Once I jump that off, y'all hear that buzz? Where is it at? It's under here somewhere. They just be in the tip 'em, guys. So as soon as I jump it off, I get a temporary signal to the starter. And then it shuts off. All right, let me split this up right quick. Let's see something, guys. All right, guys. Split this. Whoa. All right, guys. Y'all see that? That is where they hide in the module. Wow. And you can see they is spliced into the... So I can almost bet they got the diagram. It's just... Normally they keep this out of sight. I guess because back in the day, all we would do is take out the splice under the dash. So they figure customers or mechanics wouldn't do this because it's real simple, guys. They just spliced in the middle of the circuit. All you gotta do is cut that out and close the circuit, and you have your starting back. But you shouldn't do that, man. You should pay your bill or whatever the reason they have it off in the first place. You gotta get that part taken care of because you can really pinch the wrong wire and cause some damage. But that is the module we was hearing. Wow. And that yellow wire that comes from the ignition switch, they spliced in between it. So technically, guys, I can take this blue wire and this green wire. So what was happening when I was jumping it off? Okay, it's making sense. Okay, they're spliced into the starter relay circuit. So even when I jumped it off, this module would intercept that signal and basically open the circuit. They had me questioning my knowledge. I know how typical ISO starter relay work. And I know the circuit is not open between the starter and the relay. I know pin 87 typically goes to the load. In this case, the starter. Okay, I feel so much better. I'm not cuckoo. I'm not crazy. But should I jump this, guys? I really need to get this car in the shop. Should I close the circuit temporarily and go do what I need to do? I think I'm gonna wait, guys. I don't want to tamper with this. Y'all know how slow it is in the shop, man. It's just crazy. Yeah, they got this sucker spliced in. These guys are slick. This noise or this buzzer sound usually typically come from inside the car. So they don't have to, you know, as you know, the wire from the starter relay goes through all this harness down there to the starter. So you don't have to do that. You can do everything right here at the fuse box. And this obviously it's the ground. So technically, if I remove that ground, will that shut that six system down and temporarily close the circuit so I can run the car? I don't know. Or I can do this, guys. Send 12 volts directly to the starter output with the key in the ignition position and get the car to run. Because I just want to get it in the freaking shop. Yeah, there go the starter. It's the yellow wire. That's pin 87, guys, the yellow wire. So basically it's this blue wire that's going into the module. And this one, so there's the splice right there. Yellow and yellow. So basically I can take this one off and send straight 12 volts to this wire right here. That goes directly to the starter. And fire the car up, get it in, do what I need to do and go from there. But I think I would be breaking the law. I think I would be doing wrong, guys, in other words. So I basically need to wait. But it's just interesting how they got it hooked up. And I probably shouldn't even be showing this or telling this, but shit, I can do what I want to do. I ain't at I don't know. All right, I need some more content, and this was a good one. So we got this figured out, why it won't crank, why it won't start, why it won't nothing. They have the system disabled. Okay, I need to call her. She got to pay her bill. Simple as that. I mean, she can get some parts of this. It's still a powertrain warranty on some of this stuff. This is ticking, by the way. It's a 3.6. Ticking bad. She likely may need some cam. Remember I told y'all I can distinguish between a tick being a cam and a tick being a rocker, or only being a rocker and being a cam. Well, this is one of them. All right, guys, I'll figure out something what I'm gonna do, and I'll get back with y'all and let y'all know, man. Thanks for watching, man.